The last week has seen what can only be described as very changeable weather. There was snow on the ground and on the roofs on Monday morning. It's important to maintain climate control of even an empty building. Electricians on site need protection from the colder weather too. Conditions on Tuesday brought little improvement as the Aegis staff made their rounds. By Thursday, conditions had taken a turn for the better, and if you're wondering about the reason behind the title, we'll get to that before long. It was a bit of a surprise at this stage to see the railings removed from the ramp again and the welder back. It was interesting as well to see some new faces from RC Industrial Services in Napanee. The nature of their contribution never became clear. The ramp has certainly received an extraordinary amount of attention. Whatever was involved, it seems that only a day was required to attend to it. Whilst the normal operation of the ferry continued alongside, on Friday, GIP and the welder were seen once again at the ramp. As the afternoon progressed, and the Wolf Islander 4 made her latest departure for the island, activity was noted, once again, on the ramp. It became clear that preparations were in hand to replace the railings. There's a helpful hint about what's to come. Before work can proceed, the boat must be secured. Then it's time for some deft handling of the heavy steel piece. With one side in place, it's not very long before work on the other is underway. We must now hope that with this work complete, the dock could be introduced into service. We talked last week about the possibility of a failure of the ramp now in use. And this week, we should look at the efforts that have been made to brace that north tower. If the concrete tower supporting the current ramp were to fail, or even to threaten failure, then there would be a serious problem forcing the secondary dock into service. Not a happy thought. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next week.